Welcome to this instructional video on safely disassembling and reassembling a laptop computer. We'll guide you through a systematic approach to handle delicate components without causing damage, ensuring a successful reassembly process. Before starting, ensure the laptop is powered off, unplugged, and the battery is removed if possible. Ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap and organize a clean workspace with necessary tools like precision screwdrivers. Begin disassembly by removing screws from the bottom panel using a magnetic mat to keep track. Carefully pry open the casing, disconnecting components like the hard drive, RAM, and cooling fan while keeping screws organized. For reassembly, reinstall components in reverse order, starting with the motherboard. Ensure all connections are secure and components like RAM are correctly seated. Snap the casing back and secure all screws to complete the process. Finally, reinsert the battery, plug in the laptop, and power it on to verify functionality. Attention to detail and patience are key to maintaining the laptop's functionality after reassembly. Thank you for watching.